Why your pharmacy career is uncertain without knowing GMP. Good manufacturing practices, GMP, ensure the safety, quality, and efficacy of pharmaceutical products. Understanding GMP is critical for every pharmacy professional to comply with regulatory standards. Without this knowledge, your career opportunities may be severely limited. This presentation explores why GMP is essential for a secure and successful pharmacy career. GMP refers to the regulations that guide the production of safe and effective pharmaceuticals. It covers everything from manufacturing processes to employee training. These standards prevent contamination, errors, and defects in drug products. Failing to follow GMP can lead to severe penalties and product recalls. GMP is recognized by regulatory authorities worldwide, such as the FDA, EMA, and WHO. Pharmaceutical companies must adhere to GMP to market their products globally. Employers prioritize candidates who are well-versed in these standards. Not knowing GMP can limit your job prospects, especially in international roles. At its core, GMP is about ensuring patient safety. Contaminated or substandard medicines can cause serious health risks. As a pharmacist or pharmaceutical professional, knowing GMP helps you contribute to protecting public health. Employers value this commitment to patient safety. Regulatory authorities frequently audit pharmaceutical companies for GMP compliance. Employees with GMP knowledge play a key role in passing these audits. Non-compliance can lead to fines, shutdowns, and job losses.